I went short. I went short today, and I was hoping what it would be was a spike where we come back down, and I just never got it. I actually had my stop above this right here, and I thought, oh, I dodged it, nailed it, because I actually went short right inside here. Later on, it did tag out. So annoyingly, and that was it. I'm having a really hard time going long right now. I just feel like, man, I know the grind continues. That's what I talked about yesterday. But I don't know. It just a red day trying to short this, and again catching the knife, trying to go against the grain, I guess. Still very much a trend up. I do think it's up there, so let's see if there's a turnaround Tuesday tomorrow. The trend is your friend. Yeah. Don is now a contrarian. I don't know. I just play the markets. Yeah, it is your friend until not, that's for sure. But I very much I do like to catch the knife, which can be red or green. I don't know. Anybody else think this market's just it's a bit up there? I thought we were kind of losing momentum, which could be just what we did last time. Go sideways for a little bit, send it again. As far as the S&P, we got plenty of room. We got to turn that off. Hang on. Expected moves are actually these lines right here. So we have plenty of room actually until that. That being said, if we do get to 1 standard deviation tomorrow, I'll probably look to go short. Probably selling. I'll sell some call spreads for sure. I might actually bump it a little bit. You know, maybe I go a little bit harder, but instead of Friday's expiration, maybe Wednesday's expiration. I don't want to get myself in trouble and just not give it enough time. You know, and tomorrow's green, Wednesday's green, Thursday and Friday we plummet, but I locked in a loss on Wednesday. That being said, I just want to get a little more aggressive on the sold call side if we do get up there. NASDAQ pushing, not because of Tesla. Very few sellers in that zone. Cody, you said you were going to wait for it to base out and then go short. Which could have been all right. I don't know if this is technically there's your base. Anything above that wick, and we are just going to continue. You ended up shorting ES. You lost. That sucks. Hopefully, I didn't influence that. I don't know. Again, tough time being I wouldn't be leveraged, that's for sure. Still plenty of room to the upside there as far as expected moves. Russell sending it. Let's just check XLF real quick. XLF kind of had a green day. IWM plenty. Hey, now we're talking. We just have to get to, if we continue this path and never look back to Tom Lee will be right. Zombie grind up. Yeah. It really makes me wonder if the election is going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. And so maybe I do go short end of November puts. We're up there. They're starting to get cheaper. The further it goes up, I'll just probably move my strike up, and I might grab a few end of November puts in case there is a buy the rumor, sell the news. I know a lot of people think that after the election things just soar, and a lot of times it does. But I feel like we're already pricing that in, and things are getting weird. And you guys know, like, I do keep an eye on things. And so MicroStrategies is moving up a lot faster than Bitcoin is. A lot faster. Percentage-wise, everything, if it's going to move off Bitcoin, why is it moving that much? And it tells me people are just clicking the buy button. Okay? And then there's MST, I want to say it's MSTX. Yeah. So this is a leveraged MicroStrategies ETF. And when I see new stuff come out like this, I think someone's just looking at the order flow, seeing where retail's at, and wants to. It's just a new slot machine in the casino. And when you start putting out new casinos, that tells me business is good. And I don't know if that is a good thing for the markets. So seeing stuff like this, you know, I even got a little nervous when Tesla did that. You know, the TSLX or TSLQ or whichever one it was. They started offering just leverage, shorts, longs. We already have the product. We already have Tesla. You can go long, you can go short, you can buy calls, you can buy puts. You already have everything. And now there's an ETF just to pile on the leverage. That tells me we're already at the cherry on the top, I think. So genuinely, I would say I'm a little bit concerned about all the long positions. I don't want to say too concerned, but even though it's an investment position, right? A lot of my stuff that I have that I don't plan on selling, just like Meta. When Meta went from whatever to $90, it's at 500 something now. It's at 590, almost 600. Still, it's cool to say because I told everybody to buy Meta at 90, like going nuts. And it's cool to say that now. It was not fun riding it to 90. It really wasn't. And so you still want to mentally prepare, like, man, here comes something stupid. If you know you're about to just go through the trenches, maybe do a little stretch, get warmed up a little bit, because it's you're gonna at least I do, right? Being a trader, knowing the red is coming, and then just watching your investment account, it's like this hurts me more than it hurts you. Like spanking your kid, it's like just taking a punishment. You're like, why do I need to be punished like this?